What's up, my bougie peeps? It's your girl J Bougie, and I am back with a new tutorial. What's up, my bougie peeps? It's your girl J Bougie, and I am back with a new tutorial. Thank you guys for sticking it out with me. I know it's been a long time, it's been a minute. I'm just working on a huge project that I cannot wait to share with you guys. With that being said, if it's your first time, make sure you hit that red button below and subscribe to your girl. Today's video is just based on a natural hair transition with a quick style. What you really need in this video is just really basic. Just a Denman brush. Also need your Mielle curling smoothie. I love this curl smoothie right here. It's the bomb. And then you also need some Echo Gel, the green one. I think it has olive oil in there. Yeah. I'm going to be using a Cantu product shampoo. I think I have some right here. It's a cleansing cream. I like my shampoos thick and creamy. I love it when it subs up a lot, and this gets the job done. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll be right back, you guys. So guys, my hair has been washed, it's been conditioned. As you guys can see, my hair, it's got some type of curling pattern going on. It's take some coconut oil. Don't matter which brand. I have some virgin coconut oil downstairs in my kitchen. I just don't feel like running down again. And I'm just gonna pour a nice amount of my hand. And I'm gonna go ahead and rub that through my hair. I'll show you the back because my back was what I saw transitioning first. And I was like, oh my God, like, I'm finally doing it right. Like, I'm getting what I want. It's hard work. Cause trust me, I never had my hair washed and it just turns into a bush type thing. And this was the first side I noticed. Look back there, y'all. See how I look like that? What you're gonna do is take your Denman brush and start from your ends and just keep taking your time, brushing up, making your way up to the top, to that brush can go all the way through, especially in the back. And I'm gonna use my other hand, which is my left hand, and I'm gonna run my fingers through it as I brush. Make sure I'm getting that comb all the way through. Well, brush. Get the brush all the way through. Now, y'all see that? It's like, what the heck is going on? I'm gonna take some Mielle honey pomegranate, well, pomegranate honey curl smoothie. And I'm gonna put a couple of pumps in my hand. Then you use the amount on the thickness of your hair, or how thin or big the parts is. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that in here. Then we'll go back in there with this brush. So guys, just make sure you brush the product all the way through your hair from the roots to the ends. I had a little noise in the background, so I had to block it out. Got it nice and smooth. I'm just going two-string twist it, just like that. And as I'm twisting it like that. You see that? Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the next section as well. is always the best view. I'm gonna go ahead and see if you can't get it right through, not even through your end. It's just this little technique I came up with. I'm sure I'm not the first one to get it through, but it's like you put it, you stab your hair with it, kind of, not really stab it in a mean way, and you go like that, pull it out, and you'll be surprised the brush will start working its way through. It's okay if you're still in the beginning stage and feel like it's not shrinking up or anything. But this is what your hair should look like, and leave it like this for about 15 minutes and you should be good. Don't put a scarf on, don't put no type of hair wrap on your hair. Just leave it just like this so it can get the air it needs. You don't want to close it in and close your pores up. You want to leave everything out, okay? So I'll be back in 10 to 15 minutes and I will see you guys then. So guys, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. No water dripping. Gonna start off with the back and just slowly untake it. See how them curls is formed? I'm not wearing my hair out like that. You can leave it like that overnight if you want, but I'm not. I'm gonna go ahead and brush through. I know you don't see no transition yet, right? The point is that my hair is much more, go girl, contained than what it was before. Well, I want to say after. I should have took the twist off on the bottom first. But it's much contained after I was done washing it. So you can see more of my hair transition, how much it is up here. And it's like it's going like this as it goes to the back. I know, right? I was leave this in overnight. My hair be bleak tomorrow. But between the Georgia heat and my hair. Now guys, you can go ahead and grab a comb and start parting your hair. And make sure your parts are neat this time. I'm gonna put my hair in the back into a ponytail. The way I'm gonna do it, pay close attention to see my hair transition. You guys see this? So now guys, I want you to go ahead and take your Echo Gel and put it on your fingertips and run it through your fingers on your hair. So you guys see that? So guys, now you're going to take your Denman Brush and just brush your hair from the roots to the ends. You can basically say, yeah, this brush just need to go chop chop, right? Now you're going to repeat them same steps for each section of your hair as you're styling it. This whole process I'm doing now, I'm styling it. You don't have to style it the same way. You can do it your own way, but as you do, you want to make sure you put the gel in between, run your fingers through, and then run the Denman Brush through. hair tire. I have enough gel around the whole thing on my head, my whole back part. I'm just gonna take a brush. If you want, you can do this style, or you can do your own style. I'm gonna take this small part right there and leave that out. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Y'all see that? You go, girl. I have enough gel on there, and I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair to straight. Okay, and I'm gonna grab a small bobby pin. After you're done twisting to the bottom, I'm just gonna twirl to tighten it up. And then I'm gonna set it on top. So now, guys, you're gonna take a little gel on your fingertips and twirl that little pieces of hair we left out in the back, just to give it a little style. So guys, that's it to it. You go ahead and get some edge control and slay them baby hairs and edges down. But if you do this continuously, you will definitely define your curls. You can also twirl up in a bun as I'm showing. And if you do so, make sure it's loose. But I'm leaving mine style like this. I know your girl part is crooked, but that's it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to your girl. I'll see you guys next time.